Hey YouTubers, and welcome to Bevan's Bricks. I'm Daryl, and today we're going to be discussing how to make these Lego video arcade machines. Um, Earlier today I did show these in a live feed that I did. What I wanted to discuss about, or I want to actually show a quick video on how to make them now. I have two styles here. I'm going to show how to make this style. These are both the exact same style, and this style. Now, what's really cool and unique about these, all the pieces are actual Lego, and all the stickers are official Lego sets as well. Um, this particular set, I forget what it came out of as far as that sticker, but the rest of the stickers and these two tiles are also unique. This came with a, or I'm sorry, this one came with a minifigure, and this one came with a Coast Guard set. I don't remember the numbers. Then on the side, this sticker, there's two stickers you see in this set, the sticker that you see in this set, and these side stickers all came from two different Lego sets. Uh, the first Lego set, they're both from the DC Superhero Girls sets. The first stickers that I want to show you, which is this sticker and this sticker inside of this machine here, both came from the Lego set 41231. Now, mind you, I did not place these pieces on their original part. I just stole the sticker sheet out of those two sets and used them to make my own arcade machines like you see here. And then the rest of the stickers all came from Lego set, excuse me, from the Harley Quinn dorm sets. It's the DC Superhero Girls sets, and that was 41236. That's, like I said, the rest of those stickers came from that. This also came from a DC Superhero Girls set, and it was the Lex Luthor set. I just don't remember the number off the top of my head right now. But anyway, let's pull some of these out here out of the way. Now, the first style machine we're going to build, here's all the pieces that we're going to use. I'm going to be building this style, but I'm building this style as a two-player game. And like I said, we're going to show you how to do that. Just so you know, real quickly though, on this particular arcade machine that I made, all the stickers that are on this particular arcade machine came from Lego set 41236. Again, all these stickers came from 41236. And then now, what we're about to build, just so you know as well, this sticker came out of the 41236 set. And then this particular sticker here came out of the 41231 set. And this was actually an arcade display screen in that video game, but I didn't like how the arcade machine looked, so I'm making my own modification of it. Anyway, let's start this build. Mind you, this machine and this machine, they're all built the exact same way. I'm going to show you how to build this one, except for the fact that this one's going to be a two-player machine. Anyway, let's take our 2x4 plate, and then we're going to put all these modified bricks on the back of it, like so. So you can see that you got two bricks sticking out on the top that you're going to be able to use as a display. Anyway, now that we've done that, we're going to take our display screen piece, is what I'm going to call it anyway. And we put that on the front light there. And now that we've done that, we're going to take this 2x2 plate, put that there, and then we're going to take something I want to point out. I only have the singular pieces for whatever reason. If you have a blue version of this, you can do the same thing and save you a piece. I'm having to use this because I want this part to be blue, and I don't have any of these pieces. So anyway, we take and put one of these, I'm using them as joysticks, but it's a Technique pin with a ball on the end of it, in each one of these. And then we snap them on the front of the machine like so. And then we put a 1x2 tile to smooth that out there. Now on both sides, we want to start at the bottom. We're going to put a 2x2 plate on both sides on the bottom. And then we're going to put a 1x3 on both sides at the center there. So that way that comes out nice and around. Then up here, we're going to use 2 more 2x2s. Again, this piece, the sticker anyway, came out of Lego set 41236. This came out of a Lego set, and I don't remember what Lego set it was. It was something to do with the news or something. What it is, I have a big bin of printed parts, so I just grabbed some pieces out of it. Anyway, now that we've done that, we want to take and put this brick there. It's just a 1x2 standard brick. We're going to put this 1x2 plate in front of that. And then this tile actually came with a minifig, if I remember correctly. I don't remember the series though. But that was a minifig accessory that came with the little minifig packets that you can buy. But anyway, we place that there like so. And then you take each one of these. You put one on each side like that. And then because I wanted to have a nice little coin slot, what I did is I took one of these, it's the handle piece. You remove the handle and then you're left with the base. And that gives you what looks like a nice little coin slot. And then I use this because when I was a kid and I used to go to video game arcades, you always had the little red or orange button that you could push to get your coin back. And that's what I'm doing with that. These were always illuminated as well. And then I'm using this little grill on the bottom as like a little kickboard for the machine. And anyway, that gives you a really nice looking arcade machine for a video arcade, which is something I plan on building here soon. That's why I was playing with these. And again, I built 3 different versions. Here's the 3 little versions that I built. Oops, that's a different style. And that piece, I accidentally pulled the parts of it off. But this just gives you an example of what you can do if you use different sticker sheets. And mind you, you can build these without even using the sticker sheets. But it's just I added these particular stickers to them because I felt like it gave it a little more unique detail to them. Anyway, now let's take these away. And now we are going to build this style of machine. Now this time we're going to be building this style of machine. And again, I just want to point out this sticker came from the DC Superhero Girls set 41231. On this particular machine, that's the only sticker that's on it. And on this particular machine that we're going to be building, I wish I could tell you what set that number that came out of. This was a DC Superhero Girls set as well. It came with Crypto the dog and Lex Luthor, if I'm not mistaken. As a matter of fact, the set was the Lex Luthor DC Superhero Girls set. So that should help you. But like I said, to give you the exact set number, I forgot what set number it came from. This build is just very slightly different, but we will show you as we go along. We're still going to take and start with 2 of our 1x4s with the modified bricks on the side. And we're going to take a 1x3 and put that on there like so. And then once we do that, we're going to put the 2 more modified bricks on the bottom. So now we're at that point. And this is a 2x3 tile. We take and place that on there like that. And now here's where the differences start to come in. On this, we put our 1x1 modified brick with the stud on the side facing up this time because the build is a slight bit different. And now that we've done that, we take our 2x2, put it down on the face. Let's put our coin slot, our coin return, and our kick panel all there on the bottom of it. Now we're going to take our Technique brick, 1x2 Technique brick, and put our Technique pin with the ball on the end of it. Put that together like so. And then to smooth it out and give it a more finished look, we put our 1x2 yellow tile on the face of that. Now let's start with the tops and the sides. On the side, I don't remember what side or what Lego set these came with. These are Lego pieces, and they are official Lego pieces. These are printed tiles. Again, I just grabbed some random tiles out of my printed tile box. And I wish I could tell you what they came from, but I'm not sure. But I thought they were a cool looking effect to put on the machine, so I decided to use them. And now we take what I would actually like to have here, Well, there they are. My 1x3s on either side. And then now we put our 1x1 there and there. So now we're at that point. Now we take these tiles, or plates, with the slope, and put them on either side. Now, if you have a 2x4 sloped plate to put here, which is what is on the other set, I'll show you. It actually works really well as well, but I didn't have any yellow plates like this. So on this particular build, I built it this way. Now all we have to do is finish the top. So now we take our modified plate with the studs on the side. We put our 1x2 on top of that. We put a 2x2 finishing tile on top of that. And we take and put this 1x2 cheese wedge piece on the front like so. And then we put that up there like that. And now we have that arcade machine. And again, grab it again. This is the other machine. It's built basically the exact same way, other than the side panels are different. You can build it either way. But anyway, this was my quick short video on how to build some of your own Lego arcade machines. Again, you don't have to have the stickers or anything. You can do it without it. Originally when I did these, as a matter of fact, if you look through my old videos, I did already make these three once before, just using random Lego printed tiles. And I didn't have the display screens, and I always wanted to dress them up a little bit. And once I saw the sticker sheets out of those two particular Lego sets that I described, which is 41236 and 41231, I decided to make the jukeboxes. I decided to make the video arcade machines look more decorative. And I really personally think they came out with a really good touch, having all these sticker sheets that I use to put on them. You will be seeing these in my upcoming build when I do my arcade. I do have a few other arcade machines that I'm working on, and I will be making a how-to video on those as well. And then hopefully soon after that, you'll be seeing the actual video arcade all together. What I'm actually planning on doing for my video arcade build that I'm going to do is I'm going to have the top 2 floors as the arcade area. In the first floor, I'm probably going to use the pieces out of the Sanctum set, which was for the pizza parlor on the side. Because if you're a longtime viewer, you know that I've already been making the actual Sanctum corner mock. But I'm going to use those pizza parlor parts. And I'm going to make the first floor the pizza parlor, and then the top 2 floors are going to be the arcade. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you continue to watch so you can see how the outcome of the next build is going to be. As always, I thank you for coming to Bevan's Bricks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share below. Feel free to comment below. And as always, feel free to contact me, as my information, my emails, and all that are in the description below. So again, thank you everybody. We're almost at 1,000. I can't be more ecstatic. As a matter of fact, I think at the time of this recording, I'm at 996. I am still just shocked at how many subscribers I have, and I thank each and every one of you. Again, thanks for coming to Bevan's Bricks, and we'll see you next time.